Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another day. We have quite the interesting overnight session. So you can see this is where we closed yesterday. Monster reversal, and then we consolidated overnight and just pumped up. We have a really large distribution of volume here from the overnight session. And this is kind of hard to trade just because, there's probably a lot of FOMO. But at the same time, there's probably a lot of people that want to get out of their positions. Up 1% on the NAS overnight, up 0.9% on the ES. I mean, you don't want to be shorting this either. So it's like, what do we do? I don't know. We'll just see what the market gives us. I think most of this pump is primarily due to hopes of a peaceful conclusion to Russia-Ukraine. Those talks are going on today. So if that all goes well, I can definitely see us continue this rally. If that doesn't go well, we could probably reverse this move. Now, on the live session for SPY, we have a giant gap above us and a giant gap below us now. So we really can go any direction today. So I want to try to be fluid, be flexible, and just try to make some good scalps and see what we can do today. As you can see, point of control is really far down here at 14,840, and we're currently at 15,150. So that would be quite the move down. I don't think that's going to happen today, but I do think a pullback makes sense, and I'm going to be looking at this volume shelf here from the overnight. Really strong volume shelf at 15,106 to 15,100. So 15,100, good psychological round even number. If it loses that, then definitely going to be looking at 1570, close to where this VWAP is. So yeah, let's just try to be smart today, be patient, try to trade what the market gives us. Really interested to see if we're going to continue this move up. It's just been a monstrous rally, and you gotta wonder, when is the pullback gonna show up? I mean, we had days where we didn't go anywhere much, but at the same time, it's like those aren't really pullbacks at all, So yeah, market's gonna open up here in about 40 seconds. So let's say our creed and hope this day goes well. Remember, this is a life-changing opportunity. Do not treat it like something that can be discarded due to your ego, pride, and emotions. Success is dependent on your ability to stick to your rules. Therefore, always be aware of the responsibility you bear in keeping yourself accountable. All right, so we got 16 seconds. Market's about to open up here. Yeah, let's just have a day and hope that everything goes well. Hope you guys have a profitable day. The market's gonna open up right now. Right. Opening candle. CES is opening a lot stronger than NAS here, but still reversing. Again, pullback makes sense. I'm just not 100% sure what we're gonna be doing with this kind of move. Yeah, I think it's probably good to be patient today, see what happens with this 5-minute candle opening range. Just pretty much within that so far, not breaking up, not breaking down. So let's just see what happens here. Got a lot of, I think it feels like indecision going on right now, but we got the ES breaking up, so might be an indication to probably go long here. So we got point of control shifting upwards. It looks like we want to continue upwards. So if we look at our range chart here, point of control shifted up here. We got some buyers here. Technically, this trend line is still okay. If we want to be really flexible with it, we could go up all the way to there. Let's see what happens here. Point of control. Delta looks okay. I don't really see any indication why we would continue downwards. Pretty strong candle so far. We're already up 200 points on the day, which is kind of crazy. I want to get in on this, but at the same time, it's like I want to see some sort of a pullback. You know, maybe if we come back down to this area here where we had some reactions overnight, I might go long here. But we'll see. We'll see if that happens. Pretty strong candle so far. And we can definitely continue to rip up, which kind of looks like that's what we're doing here. If we come back down to point of control, I might be interested to take along there too. We'll see. We just continue to ramp it up. Goodness. It's a pretty big candle so far. And we're just gonna sit and watch. Goodness. I guess this was the dip. If we look at the main chart here, see we have a really strong candle on the ES and the NAS. Delta's responding accordingly. So I think we definitely continue upwards. Getting a small pullback now. Let's look at the minute chart here. So we had nice 3 minutes up, maybe 1 minute down, and then another minute up. So I said I'm thinking about going long here. I think we look good. Let me give it a sec. Just want to see if it comes back all the way down here. Retest. Yeah, I kind of want to wait for this 5 minute to close. I want to see if the next 5 minutes is going to be a continuation or we got 30 seconds left on this. So the volatility or the range is starting to slow down a bit. Buyers are starting to get a little exhausted. So I think a little consolidation makes sense if we're going to continue upwards. We'll see what this next 5 minute candle looks like. And 10 seconds left. He is pulling back a little harder than NAS. But that's all fine. So we got a new 5 minute candle pulling back. Lost point control for now. Might be actually a good spot to buy in. We can maintain. Point control shifted down here. We're gonna reverse. I think this looks good for a buy. Just honestly, it just so I'm not 100% confident in this trade. But I mean, it's a good spot to buy in, I think. You know, we're at point control. It was up here, shifted down here, so maybe we got some buyers there. We'll bring this up to break even. Looks like we got some nice buyers. don't want to lose on this trade, so I'm gonna bring that there. We're gonna pop this high. Nope. Well, $70 there at least. Let's see what happens here. Delta looks pretty heavy. This could just be a minor pullback. Still have buyers around this area. The delta's not responding. We're making lower deltas. Nerve-wracking there. I just don't know what direction we want to take. This could just be consolidation, but delta's going lower, which I don't like. And again, we could just bounce off a value area low. Just the risk here. Point control shifted down again, so maybe we got some buyers here. Now it's up here. Looks like there's a lot of back and forth here. Really nice delta though. Tempted to buy valley area low. Initial reaction, but delta's a little heavy. It's a good buy up. We have point control shifting up. A valley area right below us. Guess if we lose this, be more interested in going short. I'm not confident in this trade. Move my stop up. Not particularly confident that we're gonna reverse this. Oh wow. Getting there. I guess we'll just let this run for a bit. Probably gonna get stopped out. Yeah, delta looks kind of heavy. Buyers need to step up here. Trying to fight. We're fighting pretty good, but I don't think we're gonna hold. Yep, got stopped out. Man. And then what are we gonna do? We gonna bounce from here, or it looks like we want to try to bounce. All right, let's see. Looks like we have some buyers trying to come back in. I feel like we should probably be shorting this now though, but we'll see. We're right. So oh man, we're probably gonna, yep, got stopped out there. So we're down 530 in the day. We have this nice volume shelf here. So we're fully reversing the move. Goodness. It's like catching a falling knife. I think I talked about buying this area too. Let's see. Let's see what happens. It's a pretty bullish move and then a very bearish move. I'm still bullish on the day. New 5-minute candle opened up. We're now below the 9 5-minute moving average, which is not generally a good sign. So maybe we got to flip to bearish. So we could be coming back here. It's a good, nice bounce off of the day's low, 5-minute low range. Let's see what happens. Trying to buy it up. Delta it's not looking great, no, but it's honestly not too bad either. see if we make the lower lows here. We pop this low. Yeah, it looks like we're fully reversing today. So we're at the 5-minute low. See if we get a bounce off of here, or if we're gonna lose it. Delta's, that's what I was saying, like up here, I was like, dude, Delta is not looking good. Making lower lows in Delta, we're going sideways on price. See if we can get a meaningful reversal. I still want to be bullish, but at the same time, I deny that the price is a little bearish. Down 541 on the day, or 530 on the day. Looks like we're trying to reverse here. Let's see if we get a retest down there. Get a breakout here. I think getting out at point of control makes sense. I'm gonna bring this to a break even. Unless we just reverse back down. Kind of looks like we're trying to move back up here. Delta looks okay. You might put another one on. Put a runner. So again, I keep saying, you know, don't do 2 contracts because I don't like that much risk. At the same time, I keep doing 2 contracts anyway. Convinced that we're gonna try to reverse here. See really nice wicks on the ES. Let's just see what happens. Looks like we're trying to, yeah, looks like we are trying to reverse. Should probably put my stops back in place. Delta looks pretty good. We just need to hold. That's all. Really just need to hold this. Don't want to get stopped out. Delta's looking pretty good. I'm a little nervous again on this trade. It looks like we want to reverse, but price is having a very difficult time of it. Maybe our entry just wasn't good. I don't know. We'll see. We got a nice delta here. Buyers are trying to come back in. Try to put a stop in there again. We just need another pop. Just need another pop. Just trying to be patient. Buyers look pretty good. I'd be nervous for a little bit there, but it's like we're really good now. Might get stopped out here. There's one. There's two. Sucks. Still down. 480 on the day. Might have to wait. See what happens here. I'm tempted to get back in. Looking really good, actually. And that delta is just, oh man, if we didn't get stopped out, we would have almost hit our target already. It's unfortunate. I'm try to keep this tight just because supporting control shifted downwards. So what's that trying to tell us here? Tell us that we have buyers or sellers. And we got stopped out there for another 300, so that's down 780 on the day. Really sucks. I still want to go long here. It looks really, really good. Maybe my stops just need to. Tempted to actually put on 2. It's kind of how confident I am. Let's see though. Let's wait for a pullback here. It looks pretty good. ES is not following the NAS. Just kind of concerning. I think I'm gonna go 2 here. Delta looks pretty good. I'd like to just see a meaningful break though. That would be nice. Back to the highs would be good. Pretty bullish so far, but I want to be careful too. And we just might get stopped out here. Oh man. Not looking good, guys. Not looking good. Just a lot of chop right now. Yep. And wow, we are down 1380 on the day. Just a lot of chop here. I'll do just one more trade. And looks like we want to go down. So maybe the short side was probably the right move today. Don't really want to be selling this either. Well, we'll try it. I think we might continue downwards. People are trying to de-risk, I guess. A lot of de-risking going on. Only scary thing is we pop back up. That's the only thing. Can't really lose on this trade now, so just try to trail it. So Delta is making lower lows appropriately. Just see what happens here. Yeah, there we go. So it's nice to be making some money back from our losses. Trying to keep the right mindset. We got VWAP coming up here. Trying to not revenge trade. And again, I was talking about not doing 2 contracts. Just don't like that much risk. You might get stopped out here. We did for 425. Still down 955 on the day, but it seems like, going short might be the play for today. Still have this trend line that seems like we're trying to break up from. Yeah. I mean, this level I was talking about pre-market too, of a good buying opportunity. Just when you start trading, sometimes you just lose everything that you were talking about pre-market, so just the way it is. We got value area low. See what happens here. The 5 and 9, 5 minute 21 averages seem like they want to cross down, but have not crossed yet, so we'll just keep an eye on it. I said to buy this area too. Darn it. 15,100. So we have a bit of a rejection off value area low. Tempted to go short here. We could just be pulling back from this move up. Maybe we got to be more patient. Yeah, I feel like this was a lot of trades in here. I shouldn't have took, should have been more patient. Maybe should have drew a trend line here. And the break of that trend line should have been my indication to get out. And the short would have worked out. But I think it might come down to retest this. See if we pop up from that. I mean, right now it looks like we want to de-risk. Just kind of interesting. Where's the target, So SPY is starting to fill the gap below. That's going to go down all the way to 456 if it's going to fill that bottom gap. So I think it might go long here. Delta's starting to look okay. Let's see what happens here. I wonder if we're going to hit VWAP or not. Just the way the market's been though recently, it's just like omega pumps. Everyone's just been buying the dip. Wonder if that same philosophy will happen today. So we're trying to break this downtrend. Looks like we are going to break it. It's just a matter of time. Good reactions. Question is this where I buy in? I don't know. I'm gonna wait to see. We're already at 9 trades, which I do not like. Not happy with 9 trades. I might just do one more trade and call it a day. Just watching here, trying to be patient. Just see what happens. Doesn't look like Delta's responding very well to this sideways action. It is a bit of sideways action that we've been seeing, so just want to see what happens here. Value area low. Are we going to reject it again? We're going to pop it. Oh, I almost popped it. Still got some sellers up here. That makes sense to go short here, I think. Delta still looks okay, so I'm a bit nervous about this short. I feel like I should get out. I feel like I might pop this. Yep. Sucks, guys. Down 1265 on the day. I think we just might go up from here. probably shouldn't have made this trade, darn it. You know, thinking about it, this is probably a bad trade. We'll see. We'll see how this one plays out. Seems like we wanted to ramp up. Kind of feel like I'm starting to revenge trade, so I should probably get out of this position as soon as I can. I'm already up, you know, to 11 trades on the day. Not all for that. Just see what happens here. Got nice buyers down here. See if we can fully reverse this. Point of control flip down. Not sure if that seller's coming in though. It's having a heck of a time with it though. So we got above point of control. Battling here. Let's just see if the market will fully reverse this, which would be crazy. I'm already up to 11 trades, which I'm not happy with. I'm just at this stage hoping that we reverse and make our way back up. And if that's the case, that would be great. Trying to mitigate some of my losses, it seems. It's not good, not a good way to trade, honestly. Because if you start getting emotional, start making bad trades, you know, I mean, we're human. It's okay to get emotional. It's just gotta know when to quit, you know? And I'm just probably gonna keep this at one contract. I don't want to do more than that, just because I'm at a spot where I'm down on the day quite a bit, 1265. So we almost took out yesterday's gains, and I don't want to be trading so heavy. I just feel like at this stage I'm at a emotional level where I want to make back all my gains and you know, put on more contracts than I need, and it's just a recipe for disaster. So honestly, should probably bring this here, because if we lose point of control, we're probably going down to value area low, and I don't want to take that much loss. Kind of makes sense to me. Maybe it's, yeah, we'll just keep that there. Could make a lower low here, which would be a big indication for me to get out. Control again. Let's see if we pop off of it or not. I'm just gonna stick to this trade, and if I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Then I'll probably be done for the day. So we're just gonna watch this. And we're out. 145. Really sucks. Down 14.10 on the day. Win some, you lose some, right? So probably gonna call it there, guys. Hopefully, if you guys continue to trade, you guys have a good day. And again, I said from the beginning, this is going to be difficult to trade just because there's a big gap above us, big gap below us. You know, I feel like we have a lot of these consolidation zones, which for me, it's really difficult to trade sometimes. But yeah, I mean, that's just the way it is. It was a little all over the place today, and you know, just come back, shut it off, come back tomorrow stronger and ready to take on the day. Yeah, hopefully if you guys continue to trade, you guys have a profitable day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.